How to download voice message from Facebook Messenger. To download a voice message from Facebook Messenger, you will need to use a browser. There isn't any direct way to download voice message from Facebook Messenger. However, you can use Google Chrome's inspect feature while playing the audio to download the file directly. To do so, here you need to click on this messenger icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it here, you will need to click on this arrow-like icon that says see all in Messenger. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the messenger. Now here, you will need to find the chat with the voice message. You will need to right click on it and then click on this inspect from this menu. Once doing that, at the right side, you'll be able to see this pop up. Here, you will need to click on this network option at the top right, and by doing so, now you will need to click on this play button in order to play this voice message. Once you have played this voice message, here you'll be able to see this media. Here you will need to double click on it. Here you'll be able to see this voice message now. Click on the file, and now you can play this audio file or the voice message. So by following these steps, you should be able to download voice message from Facebook Messenger. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.